Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining the period of a pendulum. A pendulum is a weight suspended from a pivot so that it can swing freely. Basically, when a pendulum is displaced sideways from its resting equilibrium position, it is subjected to restore force due to gravity that will accelerate it back towards the equilibrium position. So basically, there are two factors that affect the period of a pendulum. It is the length and the gravitational force. The length of the rod and the gravitational force. It is not affected by the bob's mass and nor any other factors, and we'll see how through this simulator. First, I'm gonna add my stopwatch. Okay, and I'm gonna start it. And now notice how when I increase the length of the rod, the string, how it takes more time to move back and forth. So I increased it. Notice how the longer the length, the longer it takes to move back and forth. And now as I decrease the length, the shorter it takes to move back and forth. So the longer the length, the longer it takes to move back and forth. The shorter the length, the shorter it takes to move back and forth. Now, as I increase gravity, it takes less time to move back and forth. And when I decrease gravity, it takes more time to move back and forth. However, when I increase or decrease mass, it isn't affected by it whatsoever. So mass does not affect the period of a pendulum. And yeah.